Welcome to Fun Food Stories. Today you're in for a real treat because I'm sharing an incredible chicken and potato recipe that's so delicious and comforting, you'll want to cook it almost every day. But this video is more than just the main dish. We're making a full homemade meal from scratch with crispy roasted potatoes, juicy marinated chicken, a creamy garlic aioli sauce, a fresh, vibrant salad, and even a refreshing sparkling lemon and mint drink to perfectly pair with it. Plus, I'll share flavor-boosting secrets, easy make-ahead tips, and smart storage advice so you can enjoy this meal anytime. So, get ready to learn how to create a restaurant-quality meal right at home that will have your family and friends begging for seconds. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone who loves good food. It really helps support the channel. Let's dive right in with the star of the show, the chicken. I'm using 3 boneless chicken breasts, lovingly marinated in a mix of 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of freshly minced garlic, a teaspoon of smoky paprika, a teaspoon of sea salt, and half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. The smoky paprika isn't just for color, it adds a deep, irresistible warmth that makes every bite pop. Once your chicken is coated, let it sit for at least 30 minutes to soak up those amazing flavors. If you're prepping ahead, this marinade tastes even better the next day. While the chicken marinates, peel and chop 4 large Yukon Gold potatoes into even chunks. Toss them in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary, finely chopped. For a little extra wow, sprinkle a handful of grated Parmesan or a dash of chili flakes over the potatoes before roasting. They add a crispy, savory kick that's absolutely addictive. Spread them out on a baking tray so each chunk crisps perfectly. Place your marinated chicken and potatoes together on the tray and pop them into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As they roast, the kitchen fills with the intoxicating aroma of garlic, rosemary, and thyme. The fresh thyme sprigs I add halfway through roasting give it that earthy fragrance that makes this dish feel so cozy and special. Around 25 to 30 minutes later, you'll have golden, crispy potatoes and juicy, tender chicken that's ready to wow. While that's cooking, it's time to whip up our homemade garlic aioli, a creamy, tangy sauce that's the perfect partner to this meal. In a small bowl, whisk together half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil until silky smooth. For a lighter twist, you can swap the mayo for Greek yogurt mixed with a little olive oil and lemon, just as delicious, but with fewer calories. Next up, let's balance out all that richness with a fresh salad. Toss 2 cups of baby spinach, 1 cup of half cherry tomatoes, and half a thinly sliced cucumber in a large bowl. For the dressing, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This crisp, zesty salad adds that refreshing crunch and color that make the whole plate pop. Now for a refreshing homemade drink that pairs perfectly with this meal, a sparkling lemon and mint cooler. In a pitcher, combine 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, about 4 to 5 lemons, 3 tablespoons of honey or agave syrup, and 4 cups of sparkling water. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves and some ice cubes, then stir gently to blend all the flavors. This drink is light, bubbly, and will cleanse your palate with every sip, making your meal feel perfectly balanced. When it's time to plate, presentation is everything. On a large white or rustic wooden plate, arrange a generous mound of those golden, crispy potatoes, nestle the juicy chicken breasts right beside them, and drizzle the creamy garlic aioli generously over the chicken. Add the vibrant salad to the side, and finish with a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley and a wedge of lemon for that extra zing and color. If you want to get fancy, a few edible flowers or microgreens make a beautiful, restaurant-quality finishing touch. Don't forget, if you have any fun potato seasoning ideas or favorite homemade drinks, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing your creative twists. Leftovers. Store the chicken and potatoes in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 3 days. To reheat and keep that crispiness, warm them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Trust me, it works wonders. And there you have it. An incredible homemade chicken and potato meal with all the extras. A crispy, juicy main, fresh salad, creamy sauce, and a sparkling drink that will make you want to cook this again and again. If you love this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more amazing meals, and share it with your friends and family who love good food. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy eating, and enjoy every single delicious bite and sip.